Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change door hinges. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a utility knife, and your brand new hinges. Next, you'll want to remove the hinge pins from the existing hinges. This usually involves tapping them gently upwards with a screwdriver and hammer. Once the pins are out, carefully lift the door off its frame and set it aside in a safe, stable position. This initial preparation is key for a smooth process. Now that the door is off, it's time to remove the old hinges. Using your screwdriver, carefully unscrew each hinge leaf from both the door frame and the door's edge. Pay attention to the screw sizes and keep them organized if you plan to reuse any. Once the old hardware is gone, take a moment to inspect the hinge mortises. Look for any splintered wood or debris. A clean mortise, free of old paint or wood chips, ensures your new hinges will sit perfectly flush. With the old hinges removed and the mortises clean, let's install the new ones onto the door. Align the new hinge leaves with the existing mortises on the door's edge. Use the new screws that came with your hinges. They are designed for optimal fit and strength. Drive them in firmly but avoid over-tightening, which can strip the wood. Ensure each hinge leaf sits perfectly flush with the door's surface, as this is crucial for proper door operation and alignment. Finally, it's time to rehang your door. Carefully lift the door back into position, aligning the hinge leaves on the door with those on the frame. Once aligned, insert the hinge pins from the top down, tapping them gently into place. Test the door's swing. It should open and close smoothly without sticking. If needed, minor adjustments can be made by slightly tightening or loosening screws or by gently bending a hinge pin. Enjoy your newly hinged door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.